Checking your transaction history on Wells Fargo is a straightforward process that can be done online or through the mobile app. Follow these steps to access your transaction history easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Click on it to view a list of all your accounts, including checking, savings, and credit cards. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. Click on the account name to access its details. Step 4. View transaction history. After selecting the account, scroll down to find the transaction history section. Here, you will see a list of recent transactions, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. Step 5. Filter and download. If you need to view transactions from a specific date range or download your history, look for filtering options or a download button. Follow the prompts to customize your view or save the information as needed. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Wells Fargo. Regularly checking your transactions can help you stay on top of your finances and identify any discrepancies.